To identify a vowel sound, it is important to correlate the varying degrees of openness in the mouth to the different degrees of tongue height. Now I got a special tip for you. To really understand vowel sounds, and as you practice these vowel sounds in this pronunciation subscription service, I recommend that you get a lollipop, a flat lollipop. Put the lollipop on your tongue. As you learn to pronounce all the vowel sounds, as you place this piece of candy on your tongue, you can feel it move as you produce the different sounds. Okay, number one, high vowels. Made with the front of the mouth less open because the tongue body is raised or high. Examples are the little I, the big I, the little U, and the big U. 2. Mid vowels. Made with an intermediate tongue height, the little E, the big E, the open O, the stressed schwa, and the unstressed schwa. And you also have 3 low vowels, made with the front of the mouth open and the tongue lowered. The examples are the ash and the little a. Second, to further identify a vowel sound, it is important to consider whether the tongue is pushed forward or pulled back when producing a vowel sound. Number 1, front vowels. The body of the tongue is pushed forward and raised so that it is just under the hard palate of the mouth. Examples, the little I, the big I, the little E, the big E, and then the ash sound. Two, central vowels, made with neither advancement nor retraction of the tongue. Kind of stays in the same position. The unstressed schwa and the stressed schwa. 3. Back vowels, made by raising the body of the tongue in the back of the mouth toward the velum. The little U, the horseshoe U, the O, the open O, and the little a. Third, another key characteristic influencing vowel quality is lip position. 1. Rounded vowels. Sound made when the lips are rounded. Examples, the little U, the big U, the O, and the open O. 2. Unrounded vowels. Sound made when the lips are unrounded. The little I, the big I, the little E, the big E, the unstressed schwa, and the stressed schwa, the ash, and the little a. Fourth, the final characteristic influencing vowel quality is tenseness. Sometimes vowel sounds are produced when the tongue muscle is hard. Other times vowel sounds are produced when the tongue muscle is more relaxed. Number 1, tense vowels. Sounds made when the tongue is hard and its position is farther from the mid-central position of the vowel space. Examples, the little I, the little E, the O, and the little U. 2. Lax vowels. Sounds produced when the tongue is soft and its position has deviated very little from the mid-central position of the vowel space. The big I, the capital U, the big E, the unstressed schwa, the stressed schwa, the open O, the ash, and the little a. Diphthongs are two-part vowel sounds consisting of a vowel and a glide in the same syllable. There are 3 such sounds in English. Number 1, I. The sound which starts in the position, the ah, and it moves to the position of e. Again, I. 2. Oi. Sound which starts in the position o and moves to the position of e. Oi. 3. Ow. Sound which starts in the position ah and moves to the position of oo. Ow. Special note: although English uses the symbols, you have the A or O for vowel sounds in words like stay and go. These vowel sounds are usually produced as diphthongs in English, for example, A, or O, which is why these two vowel sounds are referred to as long vowels. Now, my experience of teaching English as a second language for the last 15 years or so is a lot of international students, and you might be one of these, you might produce the long vowels as shorter vowel sounds. So you have to be very careful about those long vowels in English. Practice exercise 3, vowel sounds. Go back to the chart and practice pronouncing the vowel sounds of American English. Once you feel comfortable, digitally record yourself reading aloud all the sounds. Then compare yourself to the native speaker. Identify which sounds are more difficult for you and make an effort to concentrate more on the lessons teaching those sounds. Practice exercise 4, reading aloud. In this exercise, you will read a paragraph aloud. It is suggested that you read the paragraph silently for meaning. Then you will make a digital recording as you read the paragraph aloud. Make sure that you speak directly into your microphone so that you can get a clear recording of your pronunciation. Pay particular attention to the vowel sounds in each word. Pause the video and make a recording of this paragraph. Next, listen to a native speaker read the same paragraph and try to determine what words or sounds you're having difficulty pronouncing. Quincy Jones, or Q as he's often known, is one of the most decorated musicians of all time. He has won an extraordinary number of Grammy Awards both as musician and producer. His career spans nearly all types of popular music, from jazz to rock to dance, and all genres in between. Quincy Jones' productions are known for meticulous attention to detail. His contribution to dance music, the focus of this profile, is only a small part of his overall contributions to the history of popular music. Finally, listen to the voice recording during which you will read along with the speaker, me. You have successfully completed this exercise when you're able to read along with the speaker at the same pace without too many stumbles or stutters. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. On the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Quincy Jones, or Q as he's often known, is one of the most decorated musicians of all time. He has won an extraordinary number of Grammy Awards both as musician and producer. His career spans nearly all types of popular music, from jazz to rock to dance, and all genres in between. Quincy Jones' productions are known for meticulous attention to detail. His contribution to dance music, the focus of this profile, is only a small part of his overall contributions to the history of popular music.